Use of a and an. Use of a. We use a before singular words beginning with a consonant or consonant sound. A boy, a hen, a kite, a tree. Read aloud. A bat, a cat, a dog, a fox, a goat, a man, a hat, a jug, a kite, a lion, a nest, a pen, a queen, a rat, a sky, a train, a van, a woman, a yak, a zebra. Use of an. We use an before singular words which begin with a vowel or vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an inkpot, an orange. Read aloud. An ant, an axe, an ass, an aeroplane, an arrow, an eagle, an elbow, an engine, an elephant, an ear, an inkpot, an ice cream, an iron, an icon, an iguana, an ox, an owl, an onion, an oval, an oasis, an umbrella, an umpire, an udder, an umber, an uncle.